Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some new computer hardware. What we have to unbox and review today is the Redragon Starblade magnetic keyboard. I picked this one up because it was different than the other ones I've had. I do have many videos on Redragon products, so if you do want to check those out, I highly recommend it. But this one here, this is just going to be a showcasing of what you get in the Starblade magnetic kit. This keyboard is kind of interesting because it doesn't have the letters and numbers printed on top of the key. It is on the front side of the key. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, show you what you get, and we'll get it plugged in to show it all illuminated. Now this keyboard here is a RGB keyboard, so it is going to illuminate very nicely. I'll show you the keyboard here. Here's the unveiling. Nice and sleek, modern looking. I do like the gradient tone from the light gray down to the darker gray. It's a pretty solid build, very nice weight to it. And as I said before, all the keys are printed on the front there. Maybe you can see that, maybe not. But visually, you can see them better on the lighter keys toward the top. I believe this is just a wired keyboard, but we'll see if there's any indication of wireless. There is not. So it is going to connect with the USB-C cable. So that plugs in right there. The other items you get in the box is going to be your standard instruction manual. That's going to tell you what software you can download to set the keys, illumination, and RGB effects differently. You got your pad of stickers there. We have our long length black USB-C cable. This is probably going to be about 3.5 to 4 feet. We have some replacement tabs for the keys and the tool to swap out the keys. So completely customizable. You can change the feel of the keys on these if you wish. That's what I do like about these mechanical keyboards here, is if you do need to swap it out for any reason to give you a different feel or press, you're able to do so with these Redragon products. Now let's go ahead and get this thing connected. I'm going to use my existing cable since we already have the PC set up, and I'll just demonstrate the different color effects on it. Alright, I got this thing connected to the PC using my existing cable. Here's what we have. Illuminated all nicely on the front, and all the different symbols and characters do illuminate. I do like this feature because it's very visible of what key it is. So you have this thing plugged in, you're able to see which key you are hitting. So if you don't know your keyboard like the back of your hand, you're able to reference the front to see what key you're hitting. I do like that the keys do light up that way, because oftentimes I am playing a game and I want to set, certain characters to be a certain color based on the game I'm playing. So if I want like the number keys, for example, to be like spells in a game, I'm able to illuminate those to be all red. Now you do that with the Redragon software. I have that featured in a different video, so I will have that linked in the top here. And it's just really cool that you can customize these the way you want. I do have other keyboards on this channel that I did review, so if you are interested in any of these products, definitely check them out. But this one here, very nice. It's a smaller keyboard than most. It doesn't have the 10 key on the side, so more contained, nice weight to it. It's gonna stay on the desk and not move around. So if you got a heavy gaming session, you're able to just do what you need to do. I do want to mention, if you want to cycle through the different effects for the RGB on there, all you have to do is hit that function key and insert. So I'm going to do that right now just so you can see what it does. I'm going to kind of cut the lights. So function and insert. Bunch of cool effects on this thing. Completely customizable. And hopefully you guys like the video. If you do want to pick up one of these keyboards for yourselves, take a look at the link in the description below. That's where I will have that posted. If you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.